back, everybody. Sorry about the noise. So I've been working on the fuel sender and the fuel gauge on the old Ford tractor, and I have everything working, but I know that that reading on the gauge is incorrect. I only have about 2.5 inches of gasoline in the tank. We're showing almost half a tank, and if you're looking at 2.5 inches, that's not half a tank. You know, maybe just over a quarter. So I'm gonna have to adjust the fuel sending unit, and I'll show you how to do that. It's real easy if you have the hood off. It's also fairly easy with the hood on, but you have to climb up on top to do it. So the first thing is unplug your wire. Now you're gonna have to take this ring and twist it counterclockwise, which I have to do with a hammer and a screwdriver, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now it's loose. You lift your ring out. You lift your fuel sender out. Now it sits in there like that, and it's saying we have too much fuel. So what we need to do is bend this arm so that when there is as much fuel as is in there, it reads a lower amount on the gauge. So I'm going to bend that arm, and then we'll put it back in. So as you can see, that arm was a little straighter. I've just put another bend in it. We'll drop it back in, hook it back up, and see what it reads then. Now again, I have to put that back in with the hammer and the screwdriver because it needs to make a good electrical connection. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we hook the wire back up and see what the gauge reads. It takes it a little while because that thing has to warm up. So it looks like it's going to show being just a little under a quarter of a tank. And that is fine because I'd rather have more gas in it than it says. That way when we're brush hogging out in the back of the field, if it gets close to empty, we know it's time to refill it. Sorry about the noise. The reason I did that with the engine running is we're still running points on this tractor. And if I power everything up with those points closed, it will overheat the points and then we'll have issues with the ignition. So that's why I did it with it running. Yeah, I could have disconnected the wire to the points, but you know, that's just another problem. Thanks for watching, guys.